Hello guys, in this video I want to share 6 tips for improving your public speaking skills. You're probably familiar with the term public speaking. This is a skill that can be mastered with frequent practice. Public speaking is a form of verbal communication that is delivered in front of the general public in detailed and coherently. In public speaking, you are required to practice effectively so that the delivery is not out of the ordinary and in line with the purpose of the conversation. Not everyone is comfortable speaking in public. Some people might experience stage fright and pride when they have to speak in public. This can become overcome with consistent practice. Once you get into the habit of practicing, you are more likely to be able to control yourself when you speak in public. One tips is write down important points and convey spontaneously. You can write down small notes that only contain important material points. In making these notes, do not let you write a long narrative. It can be explained naturally and spontaneously, because by dealing with the conversation is an attempt not to look stiff. It is enough to write a few important points. This will help you remember what you are going to say, so you don't get blank in the middle of the conversation. Keep in the order of the point that you will convey. And 2, deepen interaction with your audience. You should try to keep your communication alive even when you are speaking in front of many people, because this also affects your confidence and spirit. You can include a few brief questions for the audience to encourage them to interact with you. You can also include jokes that are still ethical so that they do not become too stiff. The audience will be interested in the topic of conversation if you can actively interact with them. And 3 is speak clearly and with a different intonation. Before you speak in public, it would be better if you practice first. You can ask friends for help to assess speech style, approach, intonation, and so on. The intonation when speaking is varied so as to be more than audience. Each word you must pronounce it loud and clear so that the material can be conveyed well. And this is 3 tips for me to public speaking. Next to part 2.